we would like to give a special thanks to Just Play for providing us with these toys. Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at a whole box of Barbie Pets. These are cute little blind bags that look like pet carriers. There are 2 cute pets inside, and you get to keep the pet carrier because it's made of plastic. It's like 3 surprises in one. On the back of the box, we can see all of the pets in Series 1. There's a Tuxedo Cat, Sheepdog, Rare Glitter Kitty, Havanese, Chihuahua, Samoyed, also called Sammy's, Dachshund, Ragdoll, a Norfolk Terrier, Tiger, Bulldog, Husky, and Pomeranian. I want the Pomeranian! Look at that face! Since the Pomeranian is not rare, limited edition, or anything like that, I actually have a chance of finding it. Plus, we have like a lot of blind boxes here, so I'm thinking my chances are pretty good. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in the top row, making 18 in all. And there are 13 pets in the whole collection, and you get 2 pets per bag, so I'm thinking we only need to open, like 6? Almost 7? 6 or 7 boxes? I mean, bags? And hopefully there is a pattern. So let's start with the very first one. Oh, we got the Sammy. It has a cute little gold glitter crown. I'm guessing this is supposed to be a puppy because I believe these dogs are pretty large. And here is the Norfolk Terrier. It has on a purple glitter headband with a bow and a cute little blue skirt. This is a very cute little pose because it looks like it's begging for a treat. Oh, sorry puppy, I don't have any treats.
What? Are you kidding me? I'm doing all this work for nothing.
Wow, we're just gonna put you back into the carrying case. Let's try the same row, one back. Here is the sheepdog. It has a pink hat with a blue glitter collar. And this is the husky with the pink bandana. I like how its eyes are closed. These little puppies feel soft and furry, but their noses are smooth. There is no fur there. I like that. On to bag number 3. So far, no doubles, so that is pretty cool. We might only need to open 6 or 7 bags today. That would be awesome. And here we have, let me grab my scissors, and we'll find out which puppy is in here. This is, oh, yes, the Pomeranian! Yes! And it's just as cute as I thought it was gonna be. Look at those eyes and his little tongue, and he comes with a large pink glitter ball. I wonder if I can remove the ball. Actually, it looks like it's attached to the puppy pretty good, so probably not a good idea. The other puppy is, so like now that I have my Pomeranian, I'm like, okay, I'm pretty much done. But no, we're gonna keep going to try to get the whole collection. And this is a double. We should have stopped when we were ahead. It is now clear to me that the pets in the carriers are not always paired with the same ones. So this could get a little tricky. Starting the next row, maybe there will be a kitten inside of this one. Let's see, because all we've gotten so far is like a whole bunch of puppies. Not that I don't like puppies, actually. I really like puppies, but you know, just want to see a kitten. We can get this out of the box. And this is the bulldog. Oh, that's cute. Okay, and this one is, oh, it's the Havanese. The Havanese is in a purple Barbie box and has a gold bow, And there is no chance of getting that puppy out of the box. Its body is like formed into a square. The bulldog is all cute and gray, has a blue rope bone and a pink collar. And so far, we have 7 of the puppies from the collection. And it doesn't seem like there is any kind of pattern to the blind boxes. This is... oh, it's the little Dachshund. That one's actually really cute. And this one is... a cat! Yay! This is the Tuxedo Cat with a purple ball of yarn and a blue glitter hair bow. And here is the Dachshund with a purple collar and a blue glitter skirt. Now that I think about it, I opened the exact same set on Instagram. So maybe there is a pattern. Let's open the one on the bottom row right underneath. Is this another Dachshund and Tuxedo Cat? It would be so cool if we can figure this out, because then we'll know, hey, you only need to worry about getting them from one of the shelves. And, oh, yes! It's another cat. Sorry about that, kitty. All my kittens are laying down at the moment. And is this a Dachshund? It is. Wow, I am actually happy to have doubles. Our hypothesis should be tested more than once before claiming that it's true. Let's see if we can get another Pomeranian by choosing the third one on the back. Here is the moment of truth. Is this a Pomeranian? Well, that one doesn't feel like the Pomeranian, so let's try this one. And it is not the Pomeranian, so no, my theory does not work. The other one is something gray. Oh, it's the gray cat, Tiger. Tiger is gray with white stripes and has a blue glitter collar. Aw, he's so cute. We now have 10 of the 13 pets, and we're gonna pick the next one on the top row. We need the Chihuahua, the Ragdoll, and the Glitter Kitty. However, if I just get the Chihuahua and the Ragdoll, I will be very happy. So this is... oh, it's another Pomeranian! Unfortunately, cutie, you are not helping us to complete the collection. And the other one is... glitter. I believe this is the rare Glitter Kitty. We actually found the red Glitter Kitty right when we said, you know, hey, we'd be fine if we didn't get it. Then there it is. I'm gonna start doing this with all of my blind boxes. We still need the Ragdoll and the Chihuahua, so let's try this one. This is another Terrier, and this is, yay, it's the Ragdoll! The Ragdoll is like a light cream and an orange color with a striped tail, pink bow, and blue glitter ball of yarn. We only need one more to finish our collection. Please say this is the Chihuahua! And it is a Husky? Yep, that's not it. What about this one? Maybe this is the Sheepdog. All right, let's try again. All we need is one more. Oh, it's another Pomeranian. Okay, I know they're cute and all, but 3 is enough. And this is another cat. Okay, come on, need a different one. Now we're moving to the bottom row, and this is another Ragdoll and Terrier. Could this be it? Nope. How about this one? This one is it. I know it. I now have 3 of almost every pet. We have 3 blind bags left, so what are the chances that all 3 have a Chihuahua? This is another cat, and this is the Chihuahua, the last pet to complete our collection. It has pink glitter sunglasses and a teal collar. And if you look closely, you can see a dog treat on its nose. Wow, we have a lot of triples. And now I am curious to see if those last 2 boxes have Chihuahuas in them. Well, you know, there's only one way to find out. We got one more, but all of our other pets are now triplets. I guess the rare glitter kitty took the place of the 3rd Chihuahua. Wow, that's a lot of pets. I wonder who is going to take care of all of them. Don't look at me. I better get out of here before you get any ideas. We may need to find some of our pets' new homes. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Barbie Pets. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.